Yes, today we're gonna learn how to create an EC2 instance in AWS. Just search for EC2. Click on EC2. Click on launch instance. Name your server. You can name as your wish. For this video, I am going with a test server. Select the OS image from here. There are a list of options you can select. I am selecting Amazon Linux. If you have a free tier, you can select a free tier eligible instance, or you can change this from here. I am selecting a free tier eligible instance. If you have a key pair login, you can select from here, or you can proceed without a key pair. In the network setting, you can create a security group or select an existing security group. You can allow SSH access from anywhere. Here you can select the amount of storage you want in your instance, or you can add a new volume from here. Just create and launch instance. Wait for some time. It will take about a couple of seconds and it will be created. So you can see the instance is created now. You can click here. Now you can see your instance is created and running successfully.